everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato pie. Sweet potato pie looks like McDonald's apple pie, but the filling is sweet potato. And when you're making it, it's very important to get this kind of Japanese sweet potato. The skin is purple and the inside is yellowish white. And Japanese sweet potato is very sweet as is. It's like a dessert. So make sure to get this kind of Japanese sweet potato. These are what you need. Sweet potato, it's about 200 gram, puff pastry, 2 tablespoons sugar, 20 gram butter, some black sesame for the decoration, 1 egg and some milk. Let's peel sweet potato first and cut it into small pieces. I'm going to cook this using microwave, so let's add about 1 tablespoon water. Cover it with plastic film and let's microwave it until it's nice and soft. I'm checking if it's completely cooked using this toothpick, or you can use fork. Put it through, and if it goes through without any resistance, that means it's cooked. Let's mash it. And I'm adding sugar and butter. Mix it well. The sweet potato is still very hot, so you can easily melt butter. In here, I'm adding some milk. Milk is just a consistency, and I want to make it a little bit harder than mashed potato. So let's start with 3 tablespoons. I want to make it a little bit creamier, so let's add 2 more tablespoons. And the filling is ready. The filling is ready, so I'm going to wrap it with puff pastry. So let's cut puff pastry into 3. Let's put the filling on these 6. Using this little spatula, I'm going to make some slit on the other 6. Let's put the beaten egg around the edge as a glue. And put them on top. And seal it using fork. I put them on the oven sheet covered with parchment paper, and I'm putting some egg. Let's sprinkle some black sesame on top. And I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes over 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and another 15 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Baked for 30 minutes total, and it's ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!